Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 15T Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you will want to hold the power button and the volume up at the same time. This will bring up your boot options, and here, swipe up to turn off your phone. Give it a moment, and from there you're going to hold power button volume up again. Though this time around we're going to hold both of them for a little bit longer till we see the Mi logo on the screen, at which point you just want to let go of the power button but keep holding the volume up. Now the device doesn't start to boot up in like 10 seconds. You can let go of the power button and start holding it again. Oh, there we go. And as you can see, this redirects us to the recovery mode. Now in here you'll need to use volume buttons to navigate, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Touch doesn't work. Now the options we have right here, we have a reboot, which takes us back to Android, wipe data, which only has factory reset, connect with Mi Assistant, and restore system. Anyway, I'm gonna confirm the first option, reboot to system. And like I mentioned, this will bring me back to Android now. And you can see we are now back. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.